This is JR, the expat in Saigon. Today I made it up the street to pay my Viettel bill, that's my internet bill, and I did notice some businesses open. Thought I'd shoot a few pictures of it and share those with you today. April 15th, things were supposed to open up, but definitely not everything did. So I'll show you a few shots of some of the things that did open, and we'll see what happens. I think they are going to extend the shutdown for a while, and also the social distancing. I'm all masked up for my walk. The first place I went by that's open was the electric shop. It was closed the other day when I went by. The Yamaha shop's also open. Yamaha's been closed for weeks now, and just noticed them open today. Here's a mattress store that's found its way to be open. And some of the dentist offices are opening up too. I saw several. Not all of them, but some. Of course, this is an important one, a lingerie shop. We need that. This is really cool. The seafood shop that's on the way to pay my Viettel got in a shipment of lobsters. There's some big ones. I'm not the only one that wants to take a picture of those. At the phone store where I pay my Viettel internet bill, they were social distancing. The inside of the store was closed off, and they had set chairs outside about 2.5 meters apart, and that's where you waited. It was pretty good. The guys came around and collected the money from you and gave you your receipts and your change. Worked fine. The traffic on the streets is still about 50% of normal. It's picking up. Here's something you don't see every day during the shutdown either, is somebody out sweeping the street. This girl's from the bakery, I think. Well, now here's a business that is definitely essential. It's a good thing they're open. Well, that's about it. I'm headed back to the house. Overall, things are definitely opening up, but it's still way away from being normal. Hey, if you like this little snippet of a video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We got more stuff coming. Thank y'all for watching.